In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M11, and let me show you how to change notification sounds for your voicemail. So first of all you have to reach the phone dialer, then find and select settings, and here you should pick voicemail. And right now click on notifications. Here you should click on sound, and now you can smoothly pick the one that you would like to apply. I will show you all of them. Let me just volume up the device a bit so you can hear it clearly. Okay, so let's listen to all the sounds that you can apply as your voicemail notification. And that's it. As you can see, these are all ringtones that you can apply as your voicemail sound. Let me choose, for example, ding dong, and as you can see from now on it is changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.